Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Someone who is an accredited journalist who has traveled with not just the presidents and the prime ministers of India, but also with the kings and emperors of the world, and has reported on probably every major political angle of India. Someone who has spent nearly 3 decades in Delhi, who knows the who's who of Delhi, and who has his ear to the ground, the air, and everything in between. So we are really blessed to have you, Rajagopalan sir. My parents came from Tamil Nadu. I come from Bombay. I come from Maharashtra. I was born in Delhi, but I come from Maharashtra. I'm a very proud Maharashtrian.
And you speak fluent
And
Gujarati.
I have tears of blood. I have tears of blood when I, read about what's happening back home. What do you see as the alignment, or what do you see as the future of the Mahavikas Aghadi in Maharashtra
In simple
because of
terms,
this pandemic handling?
in simple terms, Bharat, Mr. Uddhav Thackeray is a failure. The reason
Very mildly
being,
put.
very mildly put, because your viewers should not think that I am pro-Modi
Yes,
or
yes, yeah.
anti-Congress.
No,
Of
it's management
that-
issue.
It's a management issue. We are giving a food for thought for your viewers. Let them
Yes,
decide.
absolutely.
You have given them 5-6 options. Whichever option they take, well and good. You have given them a platform. Similarly, my reaction to that is Uddhav Thackeray is a major failure. There is no governance there. Sharad Pawar's old trick, he is around us. Thanks to Sharad Pawar's initiative, the BJP was stopped from forming the government, and Uddhav Thackeray's eagerness and power hungry of Uddhav Thackeray made this Hindutva platform negative of Uddhav Thackeray. Shiv Sena is shrinking, and I am expecting by middle of 2021, Maharashtra government will go, Uddhav Thackeray will go because of internal contradiction. BJP does not want to touch it because of the corona fallout. They don't want to take a liability. Things are going to be improving very soon, because what I heard from a senior IAS officer who is serving in Maharashtra government, who is privy to certain developments, what he conveyed to me was, as they've taken over the power, the alliance partners Mahavikas Aghadi had one unwritten common minimum program. That was 70% of the loot is for one party, 15% of the loot is for one party, and 15% of the loot is for one party. Therefore, 70, 15, 15. Now, to put it in a very mild manner, that proportion is changing. That will affect the balance, tilt the balance. How? Now that has become 60, 20, 20. Now it is 50, 25, 25. So this is Maharashtra politics. You understood? 70, 15,
I
15.
understand. I completely understand. Though I have a smile on my face, actually, it's a very painful situation. I know what's happening back in Mumbai.
The very, very sad situation. This corona has finished Shiv Sena. Corona has exposed Shiv Sena's administration.
It has put the city to the brink, and current city where both of us are sitting.
He's worse than Bombay. He's worse than Bombay because of certain unforeseen circumstances. We can't blame squarely on Uddhav Thackeray or Arvind Kejriwal. My understanding is they have done well, extremely well for the first 1 month. Both the government and lockdown much before Narendra Modi announced it. It is Uddhav Thackeray who went to lockdown first. In fact, Narendra Modi got a lesson from Uddhav Thackeray's approach only. And it is Narendra Modi who made way for Uddhav Thackeray to become MLC. So therefore, Congress is getting irritated on that. I understand Bharat, now as a concluding remark, I would say Narendra Modi's style of functioning was also copied by Mr. Rajiv Gandhi's style of functioning, Sonia Gandhi's style of functioning, because what Narendra Modi and Sonia Gandhi family, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi, why they are angry on Narendra Modi, I could put them in a very simple way. Madhya Pradesh was the major, fund giver for AICC. That government gone. Now Rajasthan and Punjab. Rajasthan is stuttering. Because of Corona, Rajasthan survived. Because Maharashtra, I explained to you 70, 15, 15.
Yes,
Out of
yes.
that 15, 10 was coming to Delhi. So therefore, fund was neutralized for AICC. Now with this Chinese exposure yesterday by Times Now, that will also stop the funding. Therefore, how do you run a political party? In 2024, you must have a massive funds for approaching 2024. Many parties have started to mop up the funds from today onwards, because it's going to be crores of rupees. Where will Congress get funds? Congress, having gone out of their cadre organization, out of 30 states in India, Bharat, Congress is ruling only in 4 states.
Yes.
They don't have organization in more than 20 states. And the way in which, even last time I explained to you, Congress, I observed in very close quarters, P.V. Narasimha Rao, Nijalingappa, Ghulam Nabi Azad, they were all spokespersons of Congress. You
Yes.
evaluate a political party by their spokesperson's skill.
Yes. Yes.
And today, you have come to Pavan Khera. Today, you have come to Ajay Shukla type of persons who have come to Congress, brief the people, brief the media. Poor state of affairs in Congress. Chinese funds to Rajiv Gandhi Foundation having been blocked by the exposure of Times Now yesterday. Madhya Pradesh government of Kamal Nath having gone, I foresee Congress funds will shrink. It will be a Herculean task for Ahmed Patel to mop up funds under Amit Shah and Narendra Modi umbrella.
Sir, a mere thank you is really like, it will be a slap on my own face.
No, don't say.
No, sir, I know how precious your time is. And, the minute we are able to move, I will be one of the first people to visit you and personally thank you.
Thank you.
And I have never had a coffee in my life, but I will share a cup of coffee with you.
Sure.
And thank you very much for not just sharing your views, but putting it so simply that every viewer is able to understand and make an informed decision. That is what is the entire idea behind Indoy. Indoy is nothing. It's people of the Indus Valley. And analytics is something which we have been doing for thousands and thousands and thousands of years. Somewhere in between we have forgotten, or maybe we have kind of become very lackadaisical towards understanding things. So we are just making that attempt through these series, and we are blessed that you have not just given your time, but also you have explained it so beautifully and very simply. Thank you so very much, sir.
Thank you.
And the minute this is over, I will be one of the first people to come and personally visit and thank you.
Sure. Thank you.
I am really blessed.
Thank you,
sir.
kind.
Thank you,
So
sir.
kind.
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Thanks.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.